Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you have a brand new XS Max, you may be thinking about how you can show it off while still remaining protected. You might want to check out this crystal clear Tech21 Pure Clear case. This uses BulletShield to give you 10 feet or 3 meters of drop protection while still remaining crystal clear and ultra thin. Let's put this on my gold XS Max and see how it looks. Looking at the construction of this case, the back is completely clear. The sides have a ribbed pattern and are slightly frosted. This case is treated to resist UV yellowing. Doesn't mean it's not going to yellow over time, but it will probably yellow less and more slowly. Overall, very thin and lightweight. Doesn't seem like it could possibly give you 10 feet of drop protection. However, according to Tech21's extensive testing, it does. So putting your phone in this case is quite straightforward. Simply just start on the one side and then clip on your other corners. No issues there. Once on, you can see we have a nice tight fit on the sides and top, except in a few areas. The area over your volume up and down buttons, which is typically an area that because of the button position, you do have a little bit more give there normally. And also the bottom does have a bit more give to it, but overall really not much. I think that this is a nice fitting case. We do have a moderate amount of lip on here, not that much. And do keep in mind, I don't currently have any kind of a screen protector on here. If I did, I would have less visible lip, but overall this is definitely sufficient for lay on the table and should be nicely protective for your phone. Looking down here at our port openings, they are nicely positioned and nicely sized. Certainly shouldn't have any trouble fitting any kind of lightning cables in here, I don't think. In fact, these actually extend a little bit to the back, which is typical of Tech21's cases, although not that much. I've certainly seen bigger openings in the past, but they do extend just a little bit to the back. Overall, though, you may not use your lightning port as much as you otherwise would because, of course, this case does support wireless charging, which is excellent. Going around to the sides, these ribs are entirely on the inside, so they're not going to give you any additional grip, but they do look nice and I think have a nice feel. This is not a grippy case by any means, but it's not the slipperiest of cases that I have encountered. It overall has a nice, pleasant feel in the hand. We do have nicely responsive buttons here, no issues there, and it is easy to get to the mute switch. Going around to the top, it is covered, and going over here to our side button, again, nice responsive button. Looking at the back of the case, I love the way the pure clear material shows off the beauty of my iPhone XS Max. Everything looks lovely with the gold color here. This material is UV resistant for yellowing. This does not mean that it won't yellow. However, it will probably yellow more slowly and less over time. Scratching also typically is an issue with clear cases like this, so I expect that there will be an issue with scratching over time as well. And of course, fingerprints do show more with clear cases than with regular cases. So you do definitely have a bit more cleanup to do with clear cases. However, they do a lovely job of showing off your iPhone. So it's all just a question of trade-offs. Love the slim form factor that we have here. Everything looks absolutely beautiful. And of course, as I mentioned, we do have wireless charging support with this case. So that is excellent. No issues with your protruding camera. It is well protected. So no worries there. Just overall, a really great case to show off your iPhone and give great protection from Tech21. Gotta love the Pure Clear case. Again, we've been looking at the Tech21 Pure Clear case for iPhone XS Max. This case has an MSRP of $39.95 and is available directly from Tech21 as well as from other retailers. I will put links below where you can find out more about this product. Many thanks to the kind folks at Tech21 for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen, and this is the Tech21 Pure Clear case for iPhone XS Max. Have a fantastic day.